I'm going to share with you collagen booster remedy. As we age, our collagen production is no longer effective compared to when we were young. But that doesn't mean that you can't boost the collagen generation. So tonight, I'm going to show you what I personally do as part of my skincare. And what was amazing is that I'm actually healing my skin through some of these simple skincare that I apply every day as part of my routine that are chemical free. Right? And I would like to share one of these remedies with you. And it is so amazing when it comes to boosting the collagen in our skin. And one of the key components that allows our skin to be healthy is vitamin C. We need a lot of vitamin C, and in fact, one day is 1000 milligrams of vitamin C that you need. Now, more importantly is this, okay? I want you to write this down right now. This is a very important information. While you are focusing on boosting your collagen food, eating a lot of collagen in any forms, in order for your collagen, supplements, food, or anything that you are pumping into the body that is collagen related, for the body to be able to absorb effectively, it requires vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very important component in our human body in order for you to be able to absorb collagen effectively. Now, let me jump in now into the collagen boosting recipe. Now, because of stress, because of aging, because sometimes you're not eating food that is helping the body to regenerate collagen, bad weather, pollution, smoke, caffeine, sugar. Sugar does not only make you put on weight, sugar actually kills collagen generation. And I'm referring to white refined sugar, not the natural sugar from your food, right? But it's a white refined sugar. How many of you now are afraid, especially if you are after the age of 30, 40, 50, 60, that you want to remain that part where you're aging gracefully, and you know now that that ingredient is going to affect your skin from repairing, right? So this is important, okay? And everything that I'm sharing with you here are already research tested and supported by many of my amazing friends who are skin specialists and dermatologists. So I wanted to share with you this amazing remedy because I know this is so important for all of us here, right? That you may not have time to do a proper detox, but what you can start putting into your life, into your habits every day that makes a significant impact as you age gracefully and give you energy, right? So those of you who are wondering what this juice is to help your skin to repair. One last thing before we end the session tonight. Some of us here who are probably wondering, Mark, how can I basically juice a pomegranate? So there are literally two ways. First way, through a cold press machine. Okay? Second option is through a pomegranate presser. How does this work, right? So basically this is, if you will walk on the streets, some, pomegranate juice sellers, they will use this machine to press it. Now the only thing is that this requires a lot of what? Strength. Requires a lot of strength, okay? Versus putting it in a cold press machine, it's easy. But by doing this method, you will get that beautiful wine color, right? Wine color, okay? If you are using a cold press machine, you may find that the pomegranate juice is a bit pinkish. That's the only difference, okay? But it tastes almost the same. How do you actually cut and remove your pomegranate seeds? So now, what you do is this, right? First things first is that don't cut your pomegranate this way. This is the wrong way, okay? So what I do is that I will always place my pomegranate on the sides, and I will cut away the top part. All right. Now, why? Why do you want to cut away the top part? because it is easier whether you're using a pomegranate presser or you're using a cold press, so that you have that flat base. Okay. Now, then what you want to do next is that you want to cut it half this way, not this way. It's this way, right? But you got to be very careful, all right, so that because it may move. Okay. So what I do here is usually I will just give the sides a cut, and then I use that flat part to balance it. Right? So this is a trick that I do so that I basically have more balance when I am cutting my pomegranate. Okay? All right, and here we are. Okay? That is it. Okay? Now, if you are using a pomegranate presser, which is this, now why did I cut this half? So that I can place this into the pomegranate presser and I can literally just press it like that. All right, and the pomegranate juice will flow out here with the seeds filtered. If you are using a cold press, how do you remove the pomegranate seeds? So after I cut it, what I do here is that I'm gonna use a hammer or something hard, and I'm just gonna have a big bowl or a big container, and you just hit it. So as you hit this, you see that the pomegranate seeds are actually falling out, right? Do you see that, everyone? So, and that is why I always cut off the top part. So you want to do that. So you want to slice off the top part so that when you hit the pomegranates, there is a closer impact. That's all. It's really, really easy. So after hitting for a few rounds until I see that there is no more seeds dropping, but there's still a bit here, what I'll do is that I will just basically peel off like that, and look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, right? Here you are. I'm just going to, peel it off. That's it, right? It's really easy. It's not as hard as you thought, right? Here you go. Okay, so I'm gonna continue doing this, right? So, and here you are. All right, that is how easy it is to remove your pomegranate seeds. All right, don't eat the white part here. They're very bitter. And if you're juicing it, don't do the lazy man's job of peeling the whole thing and dumping inside and juice it, right? Eventually your juice is bitter, right? This white part here is bitter, and there is not any nutrition content or nutrition benefits of the white part. It's unlike lemons, right? So, keep it, just take out the seeds and you juice it, right? This is Mark Leong here. Have a pleasant evening.